In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Asana Workspace. This is an essential skill to have under your belt, especially if you're looking to keep your projects organized or reflect a change in your team's focus. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step in an easy-to-understand manner. To begin, you'll need to access Asana. Once you're all logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if you're a bit new to this platform. It's always good to know your way around before jumping into more specific tasks. Your next move is to locate your profile picture or avatar, which you'll usually find in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will expand a drop-down menu, which is going to be your gateway to the settings you need. In this drop-down menu, you'll need to keep an eye out for the Admin Console option. Clicking here opens up the Admin Dashboard. This is a powerful tool because it provides you with access to various settings for your Asana workspace, so it's a place you might visit often if you're managing your team's space. Now you've made it to where the magic happens. Within the Admin Console, you'll want to find the Settings tab. This is an area packed with configurable options that allow you to manage your workspace efficiently. Once you click on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page where you can tweak different aspects of your workspace. At this point, what you're looking for is the Workspace Name field. This is what allows you to edit the current name of your workspace. Clicking on this field will let you type in a new name that aligns better with your workspace's current focus or your team's mission and goals. It's worth taking a moment here to double-check the new name you've entered. You want to make sure everything is spelled correctly and that it perfectly reflects the changes you intended. When you're completely satisfied with this new name, it's time to find the Save Changes button. This is often found at the bottom of the Settings page or near the Workspace name field itself. Give it a click, and just like that, you've finalized the renaming process. And there you have it. You've just successfully renamed your Asana Workspace. This new name will now be displayed throughout your Asana environment, helping not only with organization, but also in reinforcing your team's identity and focus. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy organizing.